Hello everybody, I'm Lisa Buske and I am your Epicure Consultant. Thank you for visiting the video and my page, Keeping It Real, Cooking with Lisa, One Sister's Journey. So we have grown over the years and now it's all about cooking. Yeah, there's still some good stuff, right? So today I want to talk to you about our Epicure steamers. They are amazing. So what I want to do is kind of give you the lowdown on the differences between our steamers. And I'm going to start small and work my way up. And when we end, that's my favorite. Okay. So I want to start with, this is our amazing rectangular steamer. And it comes with the base and the lid. And this is great for veggies and like a single chicken breast or a single potato, whatever you might be doing. And it will hold 3.5 cups. So I will use this a lot to make like my queso or one of the dips. But I know that my people that live alone, or there's just 2 people, they cook a chicken breast or their veggies and that kind of stuff in here. Because this is 3.5 cups. This is our rectangular steamer. Now we move up to the next steamer, which is not always available. It's not in the catalog. It's a Hostess special. It pops up as a rewind. So when you see this square steamer, that's what this one's called, is the square steamer, okay? The Epicure square steamer. It's the base and the lid. And this one is fabulous. It'll hold 6.5 cups, okay? So this is a little bit bigger, great for like your hot dips or a taco dip. You know those dips you make, and because it has the silicone lid, it'll fit right on top. So this one's a little bigger. So we had 3.5 cups, 6.5 cups, all right? And this is the square steamer, available on specials, okay? The next steamer, this is, all right, if you love rotisserie chicken, leave it in a comment below. How many people love rotisserie chicken, right? We have our round steamer. And the round steamer has your air vents in it to let that steam and the air out. It is round and it will hold, oh my gosh, let me refresh, 14.75 cups, all right? So the round steamer holds 14.75 cups. And it's great for cooking a rotisserie chicken. Add our Epicure rotisserie chicken seasoning. You can do anywhere from a 5, I've done up to a 7.5 pound chicken, whole chicken, and that took 38 minutes in the steamer. Yeah, you heard that right. 38 minutes for my rotisserie chicken. I had a low salt, delicious seasoning because we have the best rotisserie chicken seasoning. And in the amount of time it took me to come home from work, put the chicken in with the seasoning, rub it down, toss it in the microwave, 38 minutes. I took the dog out. I got out of my work clothes, got into comfy clothes, unloaded my lunch bag from work, and ding, dinner is done. That's how easy it is. Now, the last steamer I want to highlight is my favorite. This is the steamer everybody should have. This is our multi-purpose steamer. And when I say multi-purpose, it is multi-purpose, okay? This one holds 6.5 cups, all right? It has the base, the lid with the air vents for your steam, but it also comes with this great little shelf or trivet, whatever you want to call it, okay? So you can put the base, the trivet in there, and you can cook bacon on here, homemade French fries, homemade potato chips. You can cook your meat on here so that all of the broth and juices go to the bottom. All right. If you make rice, you don't need the lid. You put in your rice, 1 part rice to 2 parts water. Add one of our great seasonings or broths to season your rice, quinoa, or pasta. You take the shelf that you do your bacon and potatoes on upside down, put it on top of your rice. No lid, in the microwave. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups water, 12 minutes, perfect rice or quinoa every time. 2 cups rice, 4 cups water, 15 minutes, and you'll have perfect quinoa or rice every time. And this is our multi-purpose steamer. This is the must-have. And all of our steamers, whether you're doing the rectangular at 3.5 cups, our square at 6.5 cups, the round at 14 3/4 cups, or our multi-purpose steamer at 14 3/4 cups. They are microwave, oven, and freezer safe. Oh, yes, and you can wash it in your dishwasher on the top shelf. It doesn't get any easier than that. So I'm Lisa Buske. I just wanted to jump on and share a little bit about our amazing, amazing Epicure cooking grade silicone steamers. They are the bomb diggity. And like I said, repeat after me. Are you ready? Oven, microwave, and freezer safe. And they are safe in the oven up to 425 degrees. All right. If you want to learn more about these amazing steamers, or you want to purchase one, or you want to host a party and earn one for free, get a hold of me. Go check everything out. It is so amazing. lisabuske.epicure.com, and you will be amazed at how wonderful Epicure is. They're all about giving back, and it's all about solving your dinner dilemmas. And when you can make dinner in half the time or 3/4 of the time using one of our steamers, and it's healthy because it obtains all of those nutrients in your meat, in your veggies, what are you waiting for? Get a hold of me today. I can't wait to see you. Bye.